What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Whiteboard for online meetings in Google Meet. So first off, go to Google or any browser you want, search for Google Meet in the search bar, or just click on the right side of your Google Apps and you can even access Google Meet from there. But if you want to access from the search, just simply type in meet.google.com or just Google Meet. In both the situations, you will be redirected to the main home page of Google. Now, just simply create a meeting. After coming inside the meeting, just simply click on pin to the screen over here and just click for everyone and pin this tile. Now on your right side corner, just click on meeting tools and then here click on show more. So these are some of the add-ons in the meeting tools, but we want a whiteboard. So click on this plus option and after that, this interface will be open in front of you. Just simply type in collaborative whiteboard. So this will open multiple collaborative whiteboards for you. So if you want a whiteboard for physics, you can just install this. And for biology, you can install this. And for AI diagrams or for maths, you can install one of these. But we will install this one for free. I'll just simply click on continue. After that, this will include the collaborative whiteboard in my Google Meet. Now, as you can see, it says please sign in to launch the whiteboard. After signing in, the whiteboard will be finally launched. So if you have already signed in and installed the whiteboard, you can directly access the whiteboard on your Google Meet. That was all for this video. Thank you for watching.